This is what we call the butterfly house in Denmark, which you can see here a different color of butterfly. They are bigger, smaller, not only 100 but it's over 1,000 butterflies, at yung iba ay egg pa sila, but it's very beautiful. And if you come inside here, it's quite hot. Hindi naman siya totally na mainit, pero warm siya, as depend kung ano yung temperature na gusto ng mga butterfly para sila mabuhay. So ito, pumasok kami rito, saka makita mo dito yung iba't ibang color at iba-ibang shape ng butterfly.
Ayun,